Hi,
Hi.
how are you doing today?
Good.
Okay, let me ask you a few questions and answer it as for your knowledge.
Okay.
Explain why do we need car and importance of car in USA.
Because you need the car for transportation. Because if you need to do work or go to the office, you need the car. Because what if nobody lives next to you and you can't borrow the car? And if it's a medical emergency and you need to go to the hospital, you don't have a car, so you need something for transportation.
Hello everybody, I'm recording this video on the topic buying a car. I kept already a video how to buy a car. There I explained in the video the technicalities. What is registration, ID, plate, and then auto insurance, all those things are required. That's what one. And second, on Facebook album I wrote in detail about the technical items. What are all the things required, and in this video it's a general view. Buying a car is the topic I would like to record it. I want to say, why car is needed, essential in USA. Car is essential because there is automobile industry is used. They force government limiting in public transportation. That's the reason most of them have a car here. Government transport is less here. Like in a very good point in India is government has provided extensive mass transportations like Indian Railways and bus transportation, but unfortunately there only the above middle class and rich only can afford the car. I don't know why. Not necessarily India, any nation, because as a human being I'm able to buy a car here. It's a most common idea, right? Why can't everybody has a car on this earth is what I want to throw light on it. So you need to think, why everybody cannot buy a car. Second point is, whenever you go to any new country or foreign land, you have a most common questions. In case if you have friends or relatives, they may force you to buy this car or buy that car, like that, because they like it, so they want you to buy it. Mostly I don't know why Indians why only Asian model car, Asian make, and they refuse to buy American make, because Asian make like Honda Civic and Toyota Camry has a resale value one. For any immigration reasons, if they want to leave America, they can sell for the same price or maybe less, $1,000 less to the original price they bought. That's what. And resale value and mileage point they buy, but I bought whatever I like the best, American makes. And this is my fourth van on rental. One I lost, was stolen. Second one washed away in the floods in 2012 August, and then and it's reimbursed because of the insurance and all. In USA, automobile industry forced the government to buy the cars. That's the reason everybody has a car here, and less transportation. Everybody in the sense maximum, and less transportation, except in some states like New York and those areas. You have a mass transportation system like subways, NJ Transit and all. And the starting price is $500. Any car, and then upper limit is 200K, whatever the price. And students generally they buy $500, $1,000 car or less than that because of the use back home loan, right? So later they can once they will repaid their loans and all, they will buy a good car. Your car is your choice, friend. You don't have to do the same thing as your friend did or a relative or cousin did. So a good friend can guide you a good car rather than force his choice, and he helps you get a best car of your choice, best one of your choice. See, performance and mileage depends on what kind of grade gas you put in it, and then regular checkup and maintenance. It all depends on how you drive it. Buying a car in USA, I explained in one of the videos how to buy a car, and there I explained the registration, how to Carfax, Firestone, take the car to the Firestone for checking and all those things. So why you want to buy a car? Here automobile industry is very huge, limiting government to provide the public transportation, and that's the reason everybody has a car. Everybody in the sense majority. And I always assume, like, why only in India only above middle class and rich can afford? Why can't everybody afford? Not necessarily India, any nation, because I'm a human being. I'm having all facilities in America. If I go outside America also, I assume the same thing, right? That's what everybody has to think. When everybody can buy a car, afford a car in India, in USA, why can't they do it in other countries? It's not luxury here, it's mandatory, because well infrastructure is established, roads, highways, and then bridges, connectivity, subways and all. So car is mandatory, and you don't need to buy what your uncle or cousin friend bought. Mostly Indians, they prefer Asian make and refuse to buy American make because of I don't know, but I like American cars. This is my 4th van. I bought this rental. So yeah, I prefer to use American vehicles, and I drove various kinds on rental when I lost the van or whatever, and then almost drove many models of the cars, and then yeah, that way America, I really love it. I mean, because of the various models of the cars. Suppose you want to drive a BMW, you don't need to buy. I mean, you can rental it or you can take on lease. That's one. And your car is your choice. You don't have to do the same thing. Thanks for watching this video. I wish you good luck to buy a good car.